Hello there, and welcome to English with Joy. Do you know the difference between these two subclasses of pronouns, reciprocal and reflexive? And do you use them correctly in your daily conversations with family and friends? In today's lesson, I will teach you the difference and how to correctly use these pronouns. Take a look at this example. After Mary and Tokwe argued in public, they stopped talking to themselves. Themselves? You can actually talk to yourself. When you stand in front of a mirror, you look into the mirror, you see yourself, and you talk. But is that the meaning intended in the sentence? Of course not. Now let's get down to these pronouns. A reflexive pronoun, on the one hand, is a type of pronoun or a subclass of pronoun that is formed by adding self or selves to some personal pronouns, indicating that the person or thing acts upon himself, herself, or itself. Usually, reflexive pronouns act as the object of the verb in sentences where they appear. Some reflexive pronouns in English are herself, myself, himself, themselves, itself. Now, let's take a look at this sentence example. Mary slapped herself across the face when she realized that she had been duped. The sentence, we have one reflexive pronoun, which is herself. And grammatically, when you look at the position of the word herself, you will notice that it appears after the verb slapped. So it is the object of the verb slapped. And look at the sentence, the subject of the sentence, Mary. She is the subject of the verb slapped, meaning that she performed the action of the verb, and herself received the action of the verb. On the other hand, reciprocal pronouns are only two in English, each other and one another. Each other is used when two people are involved in the relationship, while one another is used when there are more than two people involved in the relationship, although you see some people use them synonymously. Okay? Reciprocal pronouns are used to indicate a two-way relationship, a mutual relationship. For example, after Mary and Tokwe argued in public, they stopped talking to themselves. Instead of themselves in this sentence, we should have each other. There are two people here, which means that Mary stopped talking to Tokwe and Tokwe stopped talking to Mary. You get it now? Okay, let's take other examples. The boys blamed each other versus the boys blamed themselves. Sentence A means that boy A blamed boy B, while boy B blamed boy A. Sentence B means each of the boys took the blame. Nobody apportioned blame to any other person. So note the difference. Reflexive pronouns reflect the action of the subject upon themselves. While reciprocal pronouns indicate mutual relationship either between two people or more than two people. Now, let's take one last example. Ladies and gentlemen, let us get around and get to know dash. Is it each other or one another? I hope you said one another because that's the correct thing to say. I'll see you again.